Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and I am currently on board a beautiful Scout 355 LXF that we will have in the water at the Charleston In-Water Boat Show at Bristol Marina and Brillbank Park, March 29th through the 31st. That's a Friday through Sunday. I've got a ton of beautiful boats behind me. We'll have $11 million worth of inventory currently in stock. You don't have to wait for the boat shows. You can come by our store on Daniel Island at 142 Sportsman Island Drive. We have great manufacturers incentives from all of our brands. You don't have to wait for the show. Come by and see us at our store on Daniel Island. So I'm here in the cockpit of the Scout 355 LXF, an absolutely phenomenal boat. We've got great seating, both opposing seats here at the stern seat that folds up here, storage beneath this aft-facing seat. Got a great triple wide helm seat here with adjustable bolsters for each passenger, armrests as well, triple touch screens from Garmin, joystick digital controls, air conditioning, large windshield, fully enclosed windshield with great ventilation and sound systems throughout the hardtop as well. Beautiful cabin down below on the 355, convertible dinette that converts to a berth. And then just phenomenal bow seating, incredibly comfortable lounge seat forward of the console. Very comfortably seats two large adults with armrests. Storage beneath the console, and the really nice bow lounge area as well that can seat multiple guests very comfortably. Plenty of lounge space, storage, lockers on both sides, and then an electrically actuated bow table that can convert this area into a nice filler cushion as well. Those are just a few of the great features on the 355 LXF from Scout. Definitely come by and see more of this phenomenal boat at our store on Daniel Island before it heads to the water at the boat show. We've got some great inventory from Boston Whaler, including some of the smaller boats behind me. We have a beautiful 2019-15 Montauk. Similarly colored, light blue hull 16 Super Sport. These are the new models that just came out. This is part of the new improvements that they made to the 19 Montauk, where this boat actually accommodates a T-top. I just delivered one of these this past week. The boat is absolutely phenomenal. So definitely want to come by and see us to check out our Boston Whaler inventory. For those of you interested in more of a sport boat, we've got some great models from Sea Ray, including this 210 SPX outboard behind me. Dark blue hull color, 150 horsepower, 4-stroke from Mercury. Phenomenal boat with incredibly comfortable seating, both in the cockpit and the bow. They have a nearly identical model right here, a 21-foot as well, but this one has the new V6 200 horsepower 4-stroke from Mercury as well. Incredible motor. The boat runs in excess of 50 miles an hour with that 200 horsepower. And then the 19 SPX from Sea Ray. Tan hull color with dune interior. Looks really sharp with a toasted tweed canvas. Powered with a 150 horsepower from Mercury. Just delivered one of these last week. Phenomenal boat from Charleston. Definitely come see us both before the show and at the show to check out our Sea Rays. Thanks for spending some time with me and walking through our store here on Daniel Island, 142 Sportsman Island Drive. Scout, Sea Ray, Boston Whaler, Galeon Yachts. You definitely aren't going to want to miss the In-Water Boat Show and the pre-show sales event that starts right now.